I will explain you that the ball is a little bit advanced. So you use the energy that you have to pass that in the ball or to something. So the energy that you have, you can use that to massage someone, to massage your kids, to help everyone, your parents and yourself. But this we will not do that now. For now, we will do from the basics. So everyone, even the people who join today, we will do the movement. You have the movement online, and after this, we will record. When we start in a few minutes, we will start. We will record, and you can see that on YouTube. So you go to the YouTube channel and you take the video and you practice with that. So let's go with the 18 movement with a simple explanation. So we will start slowly. For people who are new, let's start. You relax yourself. You take a little bit time to be with yourself. You connect with the earth and the sky, with the nature, with the mother nature, because we are part of the nature. Donc on connecte avec la terre et le ciel. Donc on prend conscience des pieds jusqu'au sommet de la tête. We take a little bit time to do that. But because of the teaching, we will not take too long. Like a few seconds. Just relax yourself. Donc pour l'enseignement, on va aller doucement. Donc on prend un tout petit peu le moment de prendre conscience avec notre environnement. Then we say hi to the nature. Donc après on salue la nature. Vous montez avec les bras et vous dites hi to the nature. That's it. C'est simplement ça. Et dans ce mouvement, on appelle la gratitude et le respect. So in this movement is gratitude and respect to the nature. Then you push the energy to the ground. So you go slowly down. That's it. You take a good position to feel comfortable. You relax yourself, no pressure. In the spiritual way, you don't have any pressure. Donc dans le domaine spirituel, il n'y a pas de pression. Vous vous relaxez. Faites comme vous pouvez. Just have fun. So the first movement is connection. So you can go online and you see the video with all. So we start with the connection. What we do, we visualize, we take something from the ground, so a nice energy. Then you connect your body with that and you let it go. For people who don't know, I will use English and French. So you go slowly. You relax. And you take it slowly. Take the energy and go up and go down. I visualize, I take the energy go to my legs, to my body, to all the body, connect with the sky, with the universe. I feel the connection and I'm going down progressively. Very good. This is the connection. The second movement, without cutting, we will visualize, we take that same energy, but now we will share with everyone. Donc, on visualise qu'on prend cette belle énergie et on va la partager avec tout le monde. So we share with everyone in the world. You receive the energy. So you see my palm are open, so I receive the energy there. So you receive the energy in the palm. You bring up that energy. You come with that energy. Now what you will do with that energy? You do whatever you want. For example, you clean yourself, like you scan your body completely through the earth. We go down. Donc, on prend l'énergie de la terre, on monte avec elle doucement. We go up slowly. We connect all our body. Then, before to use, avant d'utiliser, on partage. open your heart to share that energy. Then you receive the energy, you bring it up. When you bring it, you visualize the energy is coming and you clean everything. Very good. The energy is free. Now I will go more with connection. You bring the energy. Open your heart, share it with everything and everyone in the world, plant, animal. You receive the energy, you bring that energy to you. You feel that in your arm because the nature always gives. You visualize like a light, a rain of light who cleans you. You remove every stress of the day, everything will disturb you, and put in the ground. We say the same thing in French, maybe similar, not exactly same. On prend l'énergie, elle est gratuite. On la visualise, elle est bonne, elle remplit notre corps, elle remplit notre cœur, elle remplit notre esprit. On laisse cette énergie aller dans tout l'univers, sur les plantes, les animaux, tout ce qui est autour de nous. On connecte avec l'univers, avec le ciel, avec toutes les entités de la nature. On ramène cette belle énergie vers nous, on la ressent en nous, on vient avec cette énergie, on visualise une pluie de lumière qui va nous laver jusqu'aux orteils. On nettoie toute l'énergie complètement et on se sent propre. I will say the similar thing in English. Energy is free. The nature always gives. So you take it, you enjoy it, you clean your body, you clean your heart, you clean your spirit. Then you give that beautiful energy to everyone in the world. Animal, plants, everything, all the entity. Because you give, you receive from the nature. You bring that energy, you deserve it, you work for that. The energy is like a light, of rain of light. It comes, it cleans your spirit. It gives you wisdom, it cleans all the spirit. It goes, it cleans your heart. It removes everything we disturb. It gives peace, inner peace, joy, compassion, altruism. You go down, it gives you health, persistence, perseverance. You feel completely grounded to the nature and you let it go. This was the second movement. We go to the third now. You go slowly up, you bring the energy and you make a ball. A nice ball of energy. So you have a ball of energy, the ball is there. What do you do with that ball? You give to the left side. So you visualize you have a ball. This point connects with your chakra here. For people who know what is chakra, for people who do Chinese medicine, it's a bai hui. It's a one connection with the universe. So with that energy. So it's like you have a ball of energy there, so the chakra energy, and you have another ball there. So you connect with both. You bring that energy slowly. Then you visualize how the energy comes, and you pass the ball to this hand, and you will go with that ball of energy in that side, and you visualize. So you will pass the ball from one side. Slowly you go up, and you join the energy with the universe, like the yin and the yang. Then you share to another side, slowly. So you visualize the ball. First, you go to the left side. You have the energy. Then you bring that energy slowly and you put in the right side. You bring, on prend l'énergie, on laisse cette énergie passer d'un côté à l'autre. On l'a, on ressent l'énergie et on donne. For example, you visualize you take peace. You visualize the peace is coming. Then you give that peace. You visualize light, love, unconditional love. You bring that love, that unconditional love. And you see how that unconditional love goes from one side to another side. So you become like a tree, comme un catalyseur. Vous faites la balance universelle. You are the one who create the balance in the world, like a tree. You give the energy in the right side, you take from the right side, you share in the left side. Prendre l'énergie à gauche, la ramener doucement et la donner à droite. When you do that at home, take your time. Go slower as possible. This is the three first movement. I will go down slowly. We stop there for now. And for today, I want to have questions. So you will give questions. You will have the video online for the explanation. I do a little bit review. Come back. My purpose is to show you the tools that you can practice at home. So, we review. Donc, mon but, c'est de vous montrer, de vous donner des outils que vous allez pratiquer à la maison. Là, on y va. On commence, on répète les trois mouvements avec explication tout court. Juste un petit résumé. Mon but, c'est de faire quoi? Connecter l'énergie de la terre avec le ciel en passant par moi. Donc, je fais comme un arbre. Donc, I do like a tree. So, I want the energy to pass through me, to feel healthy. I relax myself, I take connection. It's like an inside meditation. We call this meditation in movement. So you feel connected. You take a few seconds or 1 minute, whatever, you connect with yourself. You say hi. We call this hello to the nature, gratitude and respect. Non, c'est l'énergie de gratitude et de respect pour la nature. Après, on prend une position où on se sent confortable. You take a position that you feel comfortable. Then, you visualize that you take the energy of the earth. You go up. The first movement, je vais aller sur la révision des trois premiers mouvements. Then, if you have question, new or not new, don't worry. You speak in English and French. It's okay for me. In Chinese, it's okay too. The rest of language, I have to learn it. So I'm preparing myself. So let's go. The first thing first, we say hi to the nature, respect and gratitude. Donc la première chose, c'est le respect de la nature et la gratitude. Étant connecté, on se sent bien. On va maintenant prendre une position qu'on se sent à l'aise. You take a position that you feel comfortable. What is your purpose? Quel est ton but? C'est de connecter la terre et le ciel en passant par toi. Chaque fois que la belle énergie passe comme une lumière, elle nettoie tout ce qu'on a en nous et elle nous libère de toutes les tensions et les pressions qu'on prend avec tout ce qui se passe. Donc, every time when you connect like this, you create a channel of energy will flow from you to the nature, a change and exchange. So that exchange brings light inside of you. So you feel comfortable and amazing. So let's go now and do the first movement, the connection. So the first movement, you go slowly down, you go up. So look my arm, here and here. I take the energy of the ground. Donc je prends l'énergie de la terre à travers mes paumes de main. Then I let it go. And I go down slowly. Donc je répète la même chose. Donc, je prends l'énergie de la terre, je monte avec elle. Elle connecte la terre et avec le ciel. Et là, je connecte avec l'énergie de la terre. Maintenant, je vais laisser cette énergie aller dans l'univers. Et après, je descends. Donc, je fais la connexion. Donc, quand on le fait vraiment, when you do this really, you go softly as possible to feel more the energy Go up and down. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Now, let's go to the next one. So we take the energy, that same energy, you visualize, and you can even give a name, like a piece. Now, you will open your heart. Donc, vous ouvrez votre cœur. You open your heart and you share that energy to everyone. Look, my hand, they are not turning yet, they are like this, because I'm sharing, I open my heart. When I finish to share, lorsque j'ai fini de partager cette énergie, then I turn my arm to receive the energy from God, from the sky, from the universe, from the nature. You use what you want. You bring that energy because you work for that, you deserve it. Vous ramenez cette énergie, vous la ressentez en vous, c'est votre liberté, c'est votre choix. Ramenez-la vers vous. Vous visualisez qu'elle vient comme une belle lumière qui vous nettoie l'esprit, et vous nettoie le cœur, et vous nettoie le corps. So I will say the same in English. You bring the energy from down, you go up with that energy of the earth, you share with everyone in the world, everything, plant, animals, and everything. When you finish to share, look, my arm, they are like this because I open my heart. So then in the end, I will turn the palm on the top. I will came back with my arm. Then I visualize the energy come. I imagine that energy is a beautiful light or rain of light, whatever you want. You bring that light, like you scan your body, you scan your spirit. Then when you finish to scan your spirit, you put beautiful energy inside, like wisdom. Then you come, you scan your heart, this chakra. You clean that chakra and you wash it and you put compassion, altruism, inner peace. Then you go down here in the dantian. You put health. In this time, put health, persistence, perseverance, everything that you feel grounded. You ground that energy to the earth. Okay. This is the second movement. Let's go to the third. The third movement, you go to the same way. Now what you do, you go up. You have a ball. It's a ball of energy. You have to feel that ball. You feel that ball of energy. The ball is an imaginary ball with peace, with love, with everything you want. Wisdom, health for the family. Then you visualize that you put that in the left side of your house. You take it in the left side of your house. You go to share in the right side of your house or your bedroom. Doesn't matter. Or in your office. Donc vous prenez la belle énergie à droite. Vous visualisez que cette énergie vient comme un ballon d'énergie. Vous la ressentez et vous la donnez à la gauche. Donc c'est ça le but. Faire des échanges comme des arbres. Prendre à gauche et donner à droite. So this is the purpose. You take in the right side. You feel the energy come. You connect with the universe, with the great absolute, with the source. Then you share. That's it. Take it. Breathe in. Breathe out. On inspire. Et on expire. Prendre et donner. This is the purpose of nature. You take is the law of the nature. When you take, you have to share. When you share, you will always receive. And when you receive, you are happy to share. More you give, more you receive. And we come back slowly home. Down. Bring the energy down softly. Okay. To finish, I will show you two movements for the new people. For the old people, you already know the movement, but you will have to use it when you finish your Qigong. Everyone who knows the 18 movement, you have to do all. The people who don't know, do the three first, then you will learn the rest online. It's the same purpose. And we will put the video online with all the explanation. So you connect with the earth. So first thing first, the movement that you have to do is the tree posture. What is the tree posture? It's like you hug a tree. Donc la première chose qu'on fait, c'est l'arbre. Donc quand on fait l'arbre, you can do 5-10 minutes. You have to feel not like this, not like that. You have to feel like you see your body straight. It's not down, it's not up. You feel like this. Then you hug your tree and you feel comfortable inside. The same thing. You have your tree posture. If you can go down, it's okay too. You go down as you can. What is the trick do? You have to connect the chakra. We call this vortex of energy. This one is 2. Then you have this one, so in the palm. And then here in the top of the head. So you have those 5 chakras or those 5 vortex of connection. On appelle ça les portails d'énergie ou bien les vortex d'énergie. So we call vortex of energy. So the thing that connect you with the earth, you have to ground you, to connect with the sky, and this connect with all the universe. So you have those 5 elements. When you stay as much as you can. You can add 1 minute every day. In one way, you can finish that. You don't know how long you take. It's good. After you finish that movement, you don't go down with your arm like this. No. You go slowly down, softly, to let the energy, because when you do that, you will have a channel of energy. So you go down slowly. You put your palm on the ground. Not on the ground, but facing the ground. Donc vous mettez vos paumes face au sol. Pourquoi vous mettez les paumes face au sol? Parce que vous voulez connecter avec l'énergie de la terre. Why you do that? Because you have to be grounded. It's a tree posture. So you connect with the tree. You connect with the ground, with the mother nature. Then you visualize that you take that energy, you bring it up, and you connect with the Father or the Father nature, whatever you want, or the source, or the great absolute. You connect with that. So your palm show that you are connected. After a few seconds, you bring that energy and you let that energy come. Like a lumina, like a light. It cleans everything. And you feel that going down. Softly. Take the energy of the earth, bring it up, connect with the sky, connect with the universe, connect with the sun. Bring that beautiful energy, visualize that is coming like a light, like peace, like harmony, like joy. You decide what you want. And you ground it. You put that inside of you, and you put that inside of the earth. Next time, we will explain the same thing, but with the connection of the chakra and with the connection of the energy. So you clean the spirit, you clean the heart, and you clean the body. So you bring that down. That is. To finish, I like to do this movement. I go up, I make a 300. Then, les pouces vont se connecter au nombril. The palm, we go to the belly button or umbilicum. Put there. Then you let it go. One more time. Connect. Bring it down. And become one with the energy of the nature. On charge notre champ de cinabre, nos chakras. On se sent connecté à l'univers et on laisse aller. One more time. On monte, on connect avec l'univers absolu. We become one with the universe. We visualize the light coming. And we charge our chakra, our dantians, and we fill it up with the energy. On charge notre corps, cœur, esprit avec cette belle énergie. In Qigong, you always finish by letting go. On laisse l'énergie aller et on revient. On revient tout doucement et on va saluer tout doux. Thank you, everyone. Now I'm open for your question.